Welcome to the 9th video from the module Whole Numbers and Integers, and this time we're adding and subtracting integers. And just a reminder that integers are numbers that can be positive or negative. Now from the text you notice that we had a two-step operation with these. The first step is to reduce that double sign back to a single, so this becomes -3. Now those signs are different, so it'll be subtract 7. Okay, because the two signs, this sign here and this sign here, are the same, we're going to add the 3 and the 7 to get 10. And because 7 is the largest number, has a minus sign in front of it, or a subtraction sign, will be a bit interchangeable on those things, we know the answer is -10. With this question, first step, reduce the double sign to 56 plus 45. Remember, in the double signs, if the signs are the same, you replace it with an addition sign. So this is just a normal addition that people have been doing for years. So 5 and 6 is 11, so that's going to be 101. Now, another one, get rid of our double sign, so this becomes -36, take away 49. Because the sign that's in front of both of the numbers is negative, we need to actually add the numbers. So 36 and 49 is going to be 85. And because the largest number, 49, has a negative sign in front of it, the answer is going to be negative. It's quite logical that if you start at -36 on the number line and then you go down another 49, that you will get to -85. Okay, 3 numbers this time, but we don't have double signs between each lot. We have a double sign here, but this here doesn't need, this section needs no work at all. So this is -4 plus 5, take away 6. Now, you can do this in your head or do it with a number line, or do the procedure if you like, but -4 plus 5 will result in 1, take away 6. So 1 take away 6 is -5. Okay, I've just assumed the numbers were small there, that we could do that in our head. This one, double sign here, so -38 take away 45. So because this sign and this sign are the same, we need to add these two together, so that's going to be 83. And because the sign in front of the largest number, which is 45, is negative, the whole thing's negative. It also makes sense that if you start at -38 on the number line and you subtract, go in the subtracting direction another 45, that you'll end up at -83. Now here's one, we've got two lots of double signs to replace, so this becomes 25, take away 33, take away 17. 25 take away 33. Now we could possibly do this in our head. The answer would be -8. That's just for this first part. Or we may have to think about the 25 as positive. So with the signs being different, that is, this is positive, this is negative, we need to subtract these. So 33 take away 25 is 8. And the largest number, 33, has got a minus sign in front of it, so that's going to be -8. Take away 17. So this time, the signs in front of the two numbers are equal, so we need to add the two numbers, which is 25. The sign of the largest number is negative, so the answer is -25. Now, I'm going to use a different method with this one. But before we can use that method, we need to go through and sort these double signs out, so that we just got a straight question without double signs. So this one's going to be minus 57 plus 101. There was no double sign, so there's no big deal. Plus 66, take away 81. Now we're going to treat this like the analogy that I gave you on the written sheets, that it's like a bank account, and the balance of the bank account is going to be the deposits subtract the withdrawals. So this is, the deposits here are like 101 plus 66. And we're going to take away the withdrawals. And we withdrew 33 plus 57 plus 81. So this becomes 167 take away. Now you may need to use a calculator here. I'll try and do it in my head. 7 and 3 is 10 and 1's 11. So 3 and 1's 4, 9, 9 and 8's 17. Take away 171. Now this is the only time we need to revert back to our little rules to help us. We've got a positive sign in front of that. 176 is positive. So we've got these two signs here are not the same. They're different. So we'll need to subtract. So largest take smallest. 171 take away 167 is 4. The largest number has a negative sign, so the answer is going to have a negative sign. So the answer to this question is -4.